In this video, I'll show you how to hide your phone number in Meta Business Suite step by step. If you don't want your business phone number to be visible to customers, you can update your business information from the settings. First, open the Meta Business Suite app or visit the Meta Business Suite website in your web browser. Sign in with the Facebook account that manages your business. Next, open Settings, then go to your business info or select your Facebook page and open Page Settings. Look for the phone number field under your business contact information. If your phone number is displayed publicly, you can remove it, replace it with another contact method, or adjust the visibility settings if that option is available. After making your changes, click Save to update your business information. To confirm the changes, open your Facebook page and check the About or Contact section to make sure your phone number is no longer visible. If the number still appears, allow a few minutes for the changes to sync or refresh your page. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.